Canon cameras have long been the go-to for anyone wanting to capture life without the dreaded blur or potato-quality shots. From beginners snapping family vacations to pros shooting magazine covers, Canon offers something for everyone, without requiring a photography degree. Known for their sharp image quality, user-friendly designs, and versatility, these cameras turn everyday moments into frame-worthy memories. In this video, we'll focus on the best Canon cameras that prove great photography is just a click away. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7, our pick for best budget Canon camera. If you're ready to level up your photography without torching your budget, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 has your back. You get the trusty Canon electrofocus mount, so you can swap lenses like a DJ swaps tracks, prime for portraits, wide for travel, tele when you're dodging Uncle Larry's let me pose routine. A crisp, complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor captures color and detail that make your shots pop. The included 18 to 55mm kit lens gives you a handy 3x zoom, wide enough for tight spaces, long enough for candid laughs across the room. Worried about shaky hands? Pair the T7 with Canon's IS lenses and relax. Optical stabilization helps keep your shots sharp even after that third coffee. Focus is a breeze. A 9-point autofocus system locks on quickly, while AI servo autofocus tracks moving subjects like a loyal pup that never loses sight of you. From kids sprinting to street moments that won't repeat, you're covered. When it's time to share, built-in Wi-Fi and near-field communication make your phone the fast lane. Transfer, post, and soak up the "wait, you shot this" or comments. You want gear that grows with you, not gatekeeps. The T7 is simple when you need it and flexible when curiosity kicks in. Learn the basics, add lenses, chase better light, tell better stories. If you're ready to trade nice try for nailed it, grab the Canon EOS Rebel T7 and start stacking memories you'll be proud to revisit. Number 4. Canon EOS R50, our pick for best Canon camera for beginners. If you're ready to level up your creativity without leveling your bank account, meet the EOS R50, your pocket-friendly hype coach with a lens. You get AI-powered autofocus that locks onto eyes, faces, and action faster than you can say cheese. So blurry selfies and missed moments become ancient history. Shoot full 4K that looks cinema fancy, whether you're vlogging a coffee run or a concert from Row Z. Not a settings guru? Advanced A plus Assist has your back, quietly dialing in exposure, color, and more so you can stay in the moment. You press the shutter, it does the homework. And when the lights dip, that advanced photo system Type-C sensor steps up, pulling detail from the shadows with clean, crisp results. No grainy gremlins, no drama. You'll love the lightweight feel, the quick startup, and the way it makes every day feel a little more epic. Swap lenses as your style evolves, connect, share, and keep moving. This little dynamo keeps pace. If you're chasing better stories, smoother vlogs, and photos that finally match your vision, you don't need a suitcase of gear. You need a smart sidekick. Grab the EOS R50 and give your creativity the nudge it's been waiting for. Your future self and your feed will thank you. Still searching for the perfect Canon camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Canon EOS RP, our pick for best Canon camera for traveling and vlogging. If travel is your love language and vlogging is your diary, the Canon EOS RP kit speaks fluent you. Featherweight and friendly, it slips into your day without dragging you down, then delivers full-frame magic when the moment hits. You get a compact, reimagined focus, 24 to 105mm zoom that covers wide cityscapes, candid street portraits, and everything in between. With optical image stabilization up to 5 stops, your handheld shots look steady even when your coffee isn't. Chasing details. Go close with up to 0.4 times magnification in autofocus at just 0.66 feet, or switch to center focus macro for 0.5 times at 0.43 feet. Hello, latte art and market treasures. A bright maximum aperture of f4 gets you started right, while that 105mm reach pulls distant moments closer without breaking your stride. Tricky light won't scare you off. Evaluative, center-weighted, partial, and spot metering keep exposures on point from sunlit piazzas to neon night streets. Drop down to expanded ISO 50 for creamy highlights and a luxe low-noise look. This is the always with you camera. Compact, capable, and confidence-boosting. Hit record, narrate your adventure, and let your footage feel as effortless as your passport stamp count. Your stories deserve more than a shaky phone clip. They deserve the EOS RP's full-frame glow, smart stabilization, and a lens that's game for anything from 24 to 105mm. Go make your next best chapter look as good as it felt. Number 2. Canon EOS R7, our pick for best Canon camera for hobbyists. If you're ready to fall for a camera that actually keeps up with your life, meet the Canon EOS R7, your nimble advanced photo system Type-C sidekick that packs pro-grade punch without the diva price tag. You get speed, smarts, and a sense of humor about your budget. You'll love how the dual-pixel complementary metal oxide semiconductor autofocus 2 locks onto subjects like it read your mind. Street moments, wildlife sprints, kid chaos. Focus lands fast and stays loyal. When the action erupts, unleash up to 30 frames per second electronic bursts and snag the split-second magic everyone else misses. Worried about the wobble? Don't be! With up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, you can shoot handheld and still look like you travel with a grip team. Low light isn't its strongest suit compared to full frame, but you'll still pull off confident results with smart technique. You're covered for serious shooting too. 2 ultra-high-speed 2 card slots for speed and backup, plus a fully articulating touchscreen that frees you to compose from the weird, wonderful angles where the best shots live. In short, you get a camera that helps you grow, forgives your mistakes, and celebrates your wins. The EOS R7 isn't just gear, it's the creative co-conspirator that makes you look fearless. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II, our pick for best Canon camera overall. If your creativity has been clearing its throat, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is the mic drop you've been waiting for. You get crisp 24.2 megapixel stills that hold up to pixel peeping and print bragging, plus 4K video at a silky 60 frames per second for footage that looks as bold as your ideas. You don't need a tripod village to keep it steady either. Advanced sensor shift stabilization delivers up to 8 stops, so you can lean into long exposures and low light with confidence. Street after sunset, sparkler portraits, moody interiors, handheld and sharp. Those heart-thumping twilight moments, you'll catch them clean. When it's time to roll, the R6 Mark II backs you with high bitrate recording up to 340 megabits per second. Translation: richer detail, smoother grades, and files that hold up when you push the look. Go ahead, color, crop, and craft your story without the footage falling apart. And the kicker: all this talent without torching your savings. It's that rare combo: flagship feel, future-ready features, and a price that lets you save for lenses, lights, or the road trip your portfolio deserves. You're not buying a camera, you're choosing a partner that matches your pace, fast when inspiration sprints, steady when patience pays off. Say yes to more keeper shots, more cinematic frames, and more work that looks like you. The EOS R6 Mark II is ready when you are. Now go make something they can't scroll past. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best Canon cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which Canon camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.